It's fall here, and love it or hate it, winter squash is available everywhere, and it's cheap. Inspiration for this recipe came to me a few weeks ago when I made this beer, and tasting it, I thought it'd make a great base for a pumpkin ale. Today I'll be making the next best thing, a roasted pumpkin and garlic soup, using some of this beer and roasting some vegetables, including, you guessed it, pumpkin. Let's get to it then. First, get yourself a pumpkin to roast in a baking sheet. You'll have to cut it into manageable pieces using a sharp knife. Next, peel an onion. I have a bag of yellow onions, so that's what I'll use. Chop up the onion and place it on the baking sheet with the pumpkin. Peel some garlic. I'm using 6 cloves. Leave them whole and place them on the baking sheet. Cover the vegetables with a few glugs of olive oil. After you've poured it everywhere, get in there with your hands and coat the pumpkin with the oil. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the vegetables for about an hour and a half. You'll know the pumpkin is roasted enough by testing it with a toothpick. They should look like this. The charred bits will bring a great depth of flavor to the soup. Blend the vegetables to incorporate with the beer. Add some water or stock too. I used about 1 liter of vegetable stock. Then add your spices. Note that I'm not using pumpkin spices, but chose instead the savory road: parsley, sage, rosemary and thyme, salt and pepper. Add also some brown sugar. Be sure to taste and adjust spices, salt, sweetness to your preference. And don't forget to roast the pumpkin seeds. They make a great addition to this soup. Plate up the soup with a side of your favorite bread, the roasted pumpkin seeds, and a pinch of parsley. This is unexpectedly good. All right. Have a good one.